So today I'm gonna make one of my favorite dishes, my southern fried tilapia po boy. I'm gonna put some crispy onions on top of my po boy, right? So I'm gonna go to my mandolin and I'm gonna just slice the onions really, really carefully. I put them in whole milk, and the reason I do that is because it sort of takes away some of the bite from the onion. So then I take them out of the milk, just into a separate container. I don't want to come straight from the milk into the oil, from that container into the fryer. No flour, no batter, right into the oil. They'll cook in about a minute and a half, right? So they're not super crunchy, but you got that really good fried flavor. Season with a little kosher salt, put those to the side. For my tilapia po boy, I want to make red bell pepper aioli. I'm gonna start by roasting my red bell peppers. So in a bowl, little olive oil, put those in the pizza oven, and I just want to let those go. What I want to have happen is that the outer skin of the bell pepper just sort of burns, right? So it starts to blister up. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna start the aioli base. I'm gonna go in with 1 egg yolk, squeeze lemon in. I'm gonna smash some garlic. I'm gonna chop that garlic up, throw that in. I'm gonna go in with about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of mayo. Blend this all together. Slowly drizzle in some olive oil, some fresh basil, and just do a quick chiffonade. Get that in. I take the peppers out. I put them in a glass bowl. I cover that bowl. The steam helps loosen up the skin that is now burned. There's a couple of different ways to do it. I'm gonna go with the spoon, and I'm gonna just scrape off the outside of the pepper, right? I let the peppers cool for a minute, and I just dice them up. Now I just simply fold that in, mix it all together, ready for my po' boy. For the tilapia, what I'm gonna do is slice them into half-ounce portions. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I just go into the flour, light batter, and then I drop it into the oil. It's gonna cook probably about 3.5 minutes, maybe 4. So it's time to make my sandwich. So I open up the bread, I hit it with that aioli I made. I put that fish, that crispy tilapia on top. I got the crispy onion that I took from the milk into the fryer, from the fryer, now I'm on the sandwich. I top it with the spicy arugula. I close it up. I slice it down the side. There you go.
Chef?
Nice soft bread like you get in New Orleans.
How many we got?
So G. Garvin made us a po' boy. This was fresh tilapia, was nice and flaky. That aioli
Money.
is so money. I haven't had a bite of a po' boy like that on the West Coast in a long time.